Many of you will already have had lots of files that you've created that you'd like to share with the students, and you don't want to have to upload each one individually to Blackboard. There's a really nice way to do this in Blackboard. If you go to the control panel, click on Content Collection, and click on your course code, I'm going to right click and say Open Link in a new tab. I can now go into the content collection. In here we have the upload option. I can upload a file one at a time, but there's also the upload package option. In order to use this, you actually have to prepare your files. So I'm just going to minimize my browser, and you'll see here are my files on the desktop. If I show you, inside here I have several PowerPoint and Word documents and a folder with another Word document inside. You can have lots and lots of different folders and lots of files all in this same folder if you want. So the top level folder, you can right click on this and say send to compressed zip folder. This will create a new folder with a little zip icon on it. This is a particular kind of file which is used for sharing lots of files through the internet. So now that I have this folder created, I can now upload this. This is called a package. So I can now go back to Blackboard, select Upload, Upload Package. I'm now going to choose the desktop, my files with the zip, and if you hover over you'll actually see it says compressed zip folder. Click on this, press Open, and leave everything default, press Submit, and here we have it, my files folder. Click inside it. There's my Word and PowerPoint. There's my Elements folder, and inside there is my other document. Now, if I want to share them with the students, I have different options. I can go back to my content area, and I can build a file, browse the content collection, go into my files, and I'll choose this Word document. Scroll down and submit, and press Submit. And there I've shared that single document. If I want to share the entire folder, I don't use file, I build an item. So build content, item. I need to name this, so I'm going to call it my files. Scroll down, and I'm going to here, where it says attach file, I'm going to browse the content collection again, and I'm going to click the my files folder. So I'm sharing the folder, not any files. Press Submit, and it says making this selection will give explicit read permission for this item to members of this course or organization. What this basically means is that by sharing this in this way, you're allowing your students to see that folder and everything within that folder. Because you've done this, I'm assuming that's what you want to do. So press OK. And now you are ready to submit. Just be aware that when you make those explicit read permissions, make sure there's nothing in that folder that the students shouldn't see. Press Submit, and now you'll see the students have a link to the My Files folder. When they click on this, it takes them to the content collection for that folder.